Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure Windows is up to date and you have an admin account. This avoids permission-related failures. Next, try a quick capture with Win plus Shift plus S to see if the service responds. This tells you whether the feature is working versus the UI. Once done, open Settings Apps and search Snipping Tool to confirm it's installed and not disabled. Doing this now prevents wasted troubleshooting later and moves you straight into repair steps. You repair the app next. Go to Settings, Apps, find Snipping Tool, then Advanced Options and click Repair. This keeps your data while fixing corrupt files. If repair does nothing, pick Reset. It reinstalls the app and clears local settings, so sign out and back in to reload your profile. Additionally, run the Windows Store troubleshooter and restart the PC. These steps target underlying store or cache issues that often block the tool, so make sure to complete them before moving on. You finish with advanced fixes. Reinstall from Microsoft Store, or use PowerShell commands like getapps package and reinstall if the store won't. Also check related services, such as tablet input service, and update graphics drivers because capture relies on display components. Once done, test captures again. If problems persist, perform a clean boot to isolate third-party conflicts and create a restore point before major changes. Troubleshooting tip. If nothing works, roll back a recent Windows update or use System Restore. This often resolves sudden failures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.